Hey YouTube, so today I'll be doing an unboxing of this sneakers that I ordered from Taft. I believe it is your sneakers in stripes. I'm really excited to get this done. I've actually had this in the package for like 3 weeks. So I'm excited to get this open. This is my first video on YouTube, so um, bear that in mind. This is a learning process for me. I always welcome constructive criticism, so if you feel like there's anything I could improve on, please let me know. Without further ado, let's just get into this. Right. So, I'm excited about these shoes. All right. Probably have to block this out, but yeah, just the description of what is in the package. So you gotta give Taft a lot of credit for this package. I mean, this is just beautiful. It like also stays in as well. Like they put it. All right, let's just get this done. Let's see what's in here. Actually, hold on. Before I unbox the shoes, so they actually leave a few notes here. This basically shows, here are a few tips. Try them on carpet, blah, blah, blah. If the fit isn't quite right, contact customer service. Made to last. Yada, yada, yada. Anyways, let's get to what we're here for. Let me just get this aside. All right, so it comes with a shoe bag. That's kind of neat. It feels high quality. I put this aside as well. And this is a shoe horn. This is kind of nice. I actually needed one of these. I broke the one that I had before, so this will definitely be handy. And these are the beautiful sneakers. Oh Lord. Okay, let's see. Whoo-wee. All right, so the upper feels like a synthetic fiber, and I think this is made with full grain leather upper and synthetic fiber, Italian synthetic fiber, and then it's made with a Blake stitched construction and rubber soles, being that is a sneaker, and then the interior is lined with leather as well. Okay, this feels like it'll be really comfortable. I'm excited. I can't wait to try this out. All right, here's the second pair. Let's put this aside. That's all in the package. All right, same thing here. Man, whoa, it feels really, looks really nice. Like, okay, so Taft is known for making this like really loud shoes. I mean, like, these are not typically shoes you would see other manufacturers making. A Taft shoe will not be my first or second pair, but I think every guy should own one. These are beautiful, but I'm excited to try this out. I kind of have a few ideas as to how I'll style this. And this shoes retail for I think 190. So $190. So um yeah, like, do I think they're worth it? I'm not sure yet. You know, this is kind of a learning process for me as well. I recently just started getting into higher quality shoes. And I found out from research that, you know, this direct to consumer brands are kind of the ones where you get the most bang for your buck. So I'm excited to try this out. I don't think I have anything like this. So anyways, that has been this unboxing. If you like the video, please comment and subscribe. And if there's anything else about these shoes you'd like for me to explain in the future, please let me know. And thanks for watching.